Welcome everyone. This is the second part of exercise of proposition logic. Here we take the example of a truth table. Here the construct the truth table of the following question. Here is one question: P into Q, not Q. P, this is the AND operator, not Q. So firstly, in this truth table we have to write the variable. Here is a two variable. First one is P and the second one is Q. So here we write P, then next we write Q, then what is the value of not? Q not. So we have to find the negation of Q. So here not Q. So here we written not Q. Then P into not Q. P into not Q. P into not Q. Not, that means this is a AND operator. This is a AND operator. So we fill by the value. So firstly we take the 0, 1, 2, 3. The binary number of 0 is 0, 0. The binary number of 1 is 0, 1. The binary number of 2 is 1, 0. And the binary number of 3 is 1, 1. So firstly, we find the negation of Q. Negation of Q, that means negative value of Q. So the first value of Q is 0. So the negative value of 0 is 1, or opposite value of 0 is 1. Second one is 1. So the negative value of Q is 0. Then the value of Q is 0. So the negative value of Q is 1. Then the value of again Q is 1. So the negative value of Q is 0. Next, this is the answer. This is the result. So P into Q. P into not Q. So we can multiply this two number. 0 into 1. 0 into 1, that is 0. This is the AND operator. This is the AND operator. 0 into 1 is 0. Second, 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Next one is 1, 1. So the 1 into 1 is 1. Next is 1 into 0. 1 into 0, that means 0. So the result or truth table of this statement is this. This is the answer. So we take another question related to the truth table. Here, this is the question related to if then. If then. So firstly we write, here is P. So firstly we write P. Then next one is Q. What is the expression of P condition Q? The expression of P condition Q is P dash plus Q dash. This is the expression of P conditional Q. P dash plus Q dash. So by this equation we have to find the P naught. P naught. So we have to find P naught. Then by this statement Q by conditional P, that means Q dash plus P. For this equation we have to find a Q dash. So we are written Q dash. Next, for this expression we have to write P dash plus Q, and for this we have to write Q dash plus P. So next we multiply this with two result. There is first is, this is second. This is first and this is second. Here this is an AND sign, AND operator, and that means multiply. So we have to write P into Q into Q condition P. So firstly we write the value of P and Q. So the binary number of 0 is 0. There 1. That is 2. Binary number of 2 is 1, 0. Then 1, 1. This is the binary number of 3. So we have to find P dash. P dash, that means opposite value of P. So the first value of P is 0. So the value of P dash is 1. Second, the value of P is 0. So again P dash, that means negative value. So the value of 0 is 1. Then again here is 1 and here also 1. The negative value of 1 is 0, 0. Next we have to find the q dash. The negative value of q, is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then p dash plus q, here this is the p dash and this is a q, p dash and q. We have to add these two number. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 that is 1. In the binary 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, then 1 plus 0 is 1. Next we have to find the q dash plus p. This is a q dash and this is a p. We have to add these two number. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Next we have to multiply these two statement. P condition q, that means this, q condition p, that means this result. We have to multiply and AND sign. This is the AND sign. So we have to multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So the truth table of this question is this. This is the answer. Next we take another question of related to the. So the next question is here. This is the next question. Here P arrow Q or P condition Q. That means we have to find the value of P dash plus Q into Q dash condition R. That means Q arrow R, that means Q dash plus R. Then P arrow R, P condition R, that means P dash plus R. So firstly we find the value of P, Q and R. Here the three variable P, Q and R. So we have to write firstly P, Q and R. There is the three variable P, Q and R. So we have to take a three value input. That means suppose here is a two variable. So we can take value 0 to 3 because the binary number of 3 is 1, 1. There is only 2 digit, but in this question there are three variables. So we have to take 0 to 7 because the binary number of 7 is 1, 1, 1. That means 3 digit, only 3 digit, or 8. The binary number of 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. There are 4 digit, so we cannot take a 8, only up to 7, 0 to 7. The input is 0 to 7. So here PQR. So the value of PQR, that means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary number of 1 and 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary number of 5. Then 1, 1, 0. This is the binary number of 6. Then 1, 1, 1. This is the binary number of 7. So firstly we have to find the P dash. Then we have to find the Q dash. So P dash, that means negation of P. That means opposite value of P. Here the value of P is 0. So the value of P dash is 1. The value of 0, here 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 0. The value of Q dash. The value of Q is 0. Then the Q dash is 1. 1, here 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0. Next we have to add these two number. That means P dash plus Q. P dash plus Q. So this is the P dash and this is a Q. We have to add these two number. 0 plus 1, there is 1. 0 plus 1, again 1. 1 plus 1, again 1. 1 plus 1, again 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1. Next, we have to find the Q dash plus R. Q dash plus R. The value of Q dash is this and the value of R is this. So, 0 or 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, we have to multiply these two number. Next, these two number. So I am written here P dash plus Q and Q dash plus R. So multiply these two number because it is a AND operator. So we have to multiply. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is again 1. Then 1 into 0 is 0 because in AND operator any input is 0, so the result is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 into 0 is again 0. 1 into 0 is again 0 and this is the 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Then we have to find P dash plus R. P dash plus R. P dash plus R. So the value of P dash is this and the value of R is this. P dash plus R, we have to add these two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then we have to find this to solve this sign. What is the meaning of that sign? That means P dash plus Q. P dash plus Q into Q dash plus R. This is the question. P dash plus Q into Q dash plus R. Arrow, that means the dash of first operand. The dash of first operand. Then in the place of this we have to put add. Then P dash plus R. Then we have to write P dash plus R. So next we have to find this output. Here already we have find the P dash plus Q or Q dash plus R or P dash plus R dash. But we have to next, this is the next output. So for solving the question we have to find the dash of this expression. The dash or negation of this expression is the value of 1. Negation is 0. The negation of 0 is 1. The negation of 1 is 0. Then 1. Then 1. 1 and 0. So next we have to add this value and this value. This value, that means this, and P dash plus R, that means we have to add both this number. We have to add both this number. So add this number. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 0 plus 1 is again 1. This is the truth table of our question, of our given question. The question are that if in this question that asked to show that question is tautology or not. So the answer is yes, it is in tautology. What is the meanings of tautology? Tautology, that means every output is true. Every output is true. That means these are the expression of tautology. Next we discuss about the next question. The next question is that these are the next question. Verify using truth table. We have to verify or we have to check both are equal or not. So firstly we have written here P, then next is P dash, then Q or Q dash, then again P and Q. I am not written more than one. Then here is a P and Q is a input. P and Q is a input. The input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are the input. Then P dash. The value of P dash is 1 1 0 0. The Q dash 1 0 1 0. Then we add this two number. Not P plus Q dash. Not P, that means it is also we have to return P dash plus Q dash. The P dash and the Q dash, 1 plus 1 is 1. That is also 1. That is also 1 and 0. Next we multiply by P. This result we have to multiply by P. So we have to return not P plus Q. This and this we have to multiply. So 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 0 is again 0. Next we have to find the P arrow Q, P condition Q. What is the meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence, that means P plus Q. So we can add this two number here, P plus Q. P plus Q, P dash plus Q. Here P dash, here is a Q. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 1. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the result, P dash and Q dash. Here the equal to sign. So we can match this value and this answer. Here this value is this and this is the output, and here P arrow Q and this is the output. Here we see that those value are not equal. Not equal. So it is a not verified. Not verified because both output is not equal or not match. So this is not verified. This is the last video of exercise 1. If you have any doubt in this video or more other video, you can ask into a comment section and subscribe my channel to see other video.